You probably watched those people on YouTube showing you how they are making tons and tons and tons of money on Pinterest, and they even show you proof that they are really making money. But no matter what you do, you can't make that money. And the reason for that is this. These here are called shop ads. And these people are actually using shop ads, Pinterest shop ads, to make money. And don't worry, even though they are called shop ads, they are 100% free. And I'm going to show you how to set up Pinterest shop ads. So first thing you need to do, you need to create a pin that will potentially go viral. Why? Because we wish to make our pin in front of as many people as possible, because then chances are that many of those people will click on our Pinterest shop ad and that we will actually make sale. So what we need to do, we need to go on a website called Pexels. Or you can use Pixabay, Vecteezy, Unsplash or any other royalty-free website. And then here I will search, for example, puppy, okay? Puppy. And press enter. And I have chosen photos. And then I will click here on filters and I'm going to use vertical, because I wish to take as many real estate as possible. And here you can see there is a lots of royalty-free images of puppies that you can use to promote your own products. So let's say, for example, I wish to use this image here. I will simply click on this image and then click here and I can choose the dimensions. So for example, let's just say large. Click here on download selected size, give it a few seconds and I downloaded this to my desktop. So next thing I need to do, I need to go here on Google Gemini and I need to click here on tools. Click here on create an image. So basically I'm going to use a Google Nano banana. Click here on add files and I'm going to actually I forgot, I need to go here on Amazon and I need to find a product that I wish to promote. So here I will search, let's say for example, dog sweaters. And here you can see there is lots of dog sweaters that you can use, that you can promote and make a good money. So for example, let's just say I wish to promote this sweater here. I need to click on it and I need to actually click on one of these images. Let's say for example, this image here. I will click on it and I need to right click here, save image as, and I need to save this image to my desktop. So now I need to go back here on Google Nano Banana. I need to click here on this add files, click here on upload files, and I need to upload the image of the sweater that I downloaded from Amazon, and also I need to upload the image of the puppy that I downloaded from Pexels. This is the image. Click here on open, give it a few seconds, and then here I need to give it a prompt. And I can say something like this: make this dog wear this sweater and make it blend so it looks natural. And then simply click here on submit. Give it a few seconds to actually process this, okay? Okay, Google Nano Banana finished and here you can see how this looks. Actually, it looks really, really good. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here on download full size. And I will download this to my desktop. So next thing I need to do, I need to go here on Pinterest. And this is really, really important part of the video, so pay close attention. So what you need to do, you need to click here on settings, okay? And then click here on settings again. And then click here on account management. And then here you need to click on convert account, because you need to convert your personal profile, Pinterest profile, into a Pinterest business page. Simply click here on upgrade and you will upgrade your page to a business page. After that, you need to go back here on Pinterest, and then what you need to do, you need to click here, and then you need to click here on create a pin. And now we need to click here and upload the pin that we created in Google Nano Banana. So let me just find that pin. This is the pin. And then here you need to optimize your pin. You need to give it a catchy title. So I can say something like this, for example, a sweater that makes dogs fly, almost. This is a catchy title and also includes my main keyword. Here you can see dogs and here you can see sweater, okay? And here I need to add a description and I can say something like this. And again, here you can see this description includes my main keyword, dog, and here you can see sweater, okay? I added my keywords in this description as well. I would also add some hashtags. Here you can see link. Now I don't have any link. Here I need to choose a board. So for example, I will choose board. Okay, this is the board. Here I can choose topic. So for example, I can say dog. I can say dogs. I can say again dog. And here I will choose cute dogs and so on and so on. And here you can see option add a product, tag products. Click here. And then this is also really important part of the video. Now guys, here I need to simply go here on Amazon and I will close this and then I will simply click here on get a link. And this is my Amazon affiliate link. Go back here on Pinterest and then click here on use a link, okay? And then I will simply paste my Amazon affiliate link, press enter, give it a few seconds to actually collect data from Amazon. And here you can see it collected data from Amazon. So let's say, for example, I will use this image here, okay? Give it a few seconds. Here you can see it added this product. Now you can tag products, you can add shop ads from Amazon, from Shopify, from WooCommerce and few other websites. You cannot add shop ads from just any website. Now that is important information. Affiliate links you can add from Rakuten Store or Amazon Store, okay? From your own stores, only if they're hosted on Shopify or WooCommerce and few other websites. Now, here you can see I added only one product, but I can add more products if I want. I can simply click here on this plus and I can add another product. And after you finish this, all you have to do is just click here on publish, give it a few seconds, click here on, let me just click here on view to see my published post. And here you can see this is a post and this is my shop, the look. This is my Pinterest shop ad. Like I said, you can add more products. I added just one product. You can add 4 products here, okay? So this is how these people on YouTube are making a lots of money. They are really good at making viral Pinterest pins and they tag different affiliate products or products from their own Shopify store. And that is how they are actually making a lots of money from Pinterest. And that is what you need to do. You need to start making viral Pinterest pins and you need to start tagging products, Amazon affiliate products or Shopify or WooCommerce products from your own store. And trust me guys, after 1 month, 2 months, maybe even 3 months, you will start making sales, you will start making money. And if you are consistent, after 1 year, you will probably start making 3, 4, maybe even $5,000 with Pinterest. So this is how you make money with Pinterest and Amazon affiliate marketing. That's it for today guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.